Hello there and welcome to your forecast into Friday. Here are your headlines. We have a rain and snow warning in force for Scotland until lunchtime on Friday, and there's a rain warning for the northwest of England until the early hours of Friday morning. And then all change towards the south, where we see some wet weather but also the risk of snow through the first part of the weekend. Here's your snow warning and your rain warning for Scotland overnight into Friday. At any elevation, we're likely to see some significant snow accumulations, but even at lower levels for a time. And with an onshore breeze driving in that rain, some high rainfall totals for the eastern strip of Scotland. Now another batch of rain moves up from the southwest. Again, we could see some heavy bursts here. So a wet night to come away from the northwest. And with that, the rain again grinds to a halt across this central zone. Eventually, the whole system retreats southwards. The rain and the snow becomes more showery, and then we'll drag in some colder air, but also some settled conditions into the weekend. Now, through Thursday evening, some heavy rain likely across much of England and Wales and Northern Ireland. That's the reason why we do have that rain warning in force until midnight for the northwest of England. Some high rainfall totals here, and again, the land is so saturated, expect further flooding. Eventually, that rain clears towards the north, but low pressure firmly in charge through the early hours of the morning, and that swirl of cloud continuing to produce showery bursts of rain, which again will extend across the country. So a rather cloudy and showery start to the day across England and Wales and Northern Ireland. And again, that snow will be relentless through the morning across central and northern areas of Scotland, and rain across the eastern side of Scotland. Eventually, though, as I said, it turns more showery. We will see some wintry showers just filing in on that cold northerly wind across the eastern side, well, northeast England in particular. Now, further south, the air becomes a bit drier. You may even see some brighter weather. Temperatures here on the mild side still very cold, though, across the far north. As I said, though, all change into the weekend. We've got a marked contrast in our temperature. A ridge of high pressure extends from the north, keeping things dry across the northern half of Britain. But further south, this deep area of low pressure will drag in more cloud, outbreaks of rain, a rain warning for the West Country. And as that rain encounters the colder air through the early hours of Saturday morning, turning to snow. So a snow warning this time for central and northern areas of Wales, as well as the West Midlands. Stay up to date with the forecast and the warnings, and obviously we'll keep you posted here on all our social media channels. It will remain cold through the weekend. That rain and snow retreating away yet again through Saturday. Always the risk of ice though. Bye bye.